Welcome, students. I am Dr. Priya. Today, we will explore how to identify chemical reactions through hands-on activities and observations. Every day, we see chemical changes around us: milk soaring in summer, iron rusting, grapes fermenting, food cooking, and even our breathing and digestion.
Dr. Priya, so when the nature and identity of substances change, that means a chemical reaction happened.
Exactly, Sneha, when new substances with different properties are formed, we say a chemical reaction has taken place. But how do we know when a chemical reaction has occurred? Let's perform 3 activities to find out the signs. For activity 1.1, we will burn a magnesium ribbon. Safety first: wear protective glasses and use tongs to handle the ribbon. First, I am cleaning this 3 to 4 cm magnesium ribbon with sandpaper to remove any oxide layer for better burning. Now I am lighting the magnesium ribbon with a spirit lamp. Watch carefully and tell me what you observe.
Wow, Dr. Priya. The magnesium is burning with such a brilliant, dazzling white flame. It's almost too bright to look at.
And look, Arjun, there's white powdery ash collecting in the watch glass below. It looks completely different from the original ribbon.
The chemical equation is 2 magnesium atoms plus oxygen gas gives 2 magnesium oxide molecules. A completely new white substance is formed. For activity 1.2, I am taking lead nitrate solution in this test tube and will add potassium iodide solution to it. Now I am slowly adding the potassium iodide solution. Watch carefully for any changes in color or new substance formation.
Dr. Priya, a bright yellow solid is forming and settling at the bottom of the test tube. It wasn't there before.
The yellow precipitate is lead iodide. This is a double displacement reaction where lead and nitrate and potassium iodide exchange ions.
So, Dr. Priya, when a precipitate forms, it means a chemical reaction occurred and a new insoluble substance was created.
Absolutely correct. Sneha, formation of a precipitate is a clear sign that a chemical reaction has occurred, creating a new compound. For activity 1.3, I am adding zinc granules to this conical flask and will add dilute hydrochloric acid. Handle acids with care. Now I am slowly adding dilute hydrochloric acid to the zinc granules. Watch carefully around the granules for any changes.
Look, Dr. Priya, gas bubbles are rising from the surface of the zinc granules. There's effervescence happening.
And if I carefully touch the flask, it feels warm. The temperature is increasing during this reaction.
The equation is zinc plus hydrochloric acid gives zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Notice both gas evolution and heat release. We can also use dilute sulfuric acid instead of hydrochloric acid. The same type of reaction occurs, producing hydrogen gas. From our 3 activities, we have learned the key signs that tell us when a chemical reaction has taken place. First sign: change in state or physical form. The solid magnesium ribbon became powdery white ash with completely different texture. Second sign: change in color. Our clear solutions produced a bright yellow precipitate, showing new substances were formed. Third sign: evolution of gas. The bubbles rising from zinc granules showed hydrogen gas was being produced. Fourth sign: change in temperature. The flask became warm, showing that heat was released during the chemical reaction.
So, Dr. Priya, to identify chemical reactions, we should look for these 4 types of changes, namely state, color, gas evolution, and temperature.
Perfect summary. Sneha, any one or more of these signs indicates that a chemical reaction has taken place.
This is amazing. Now I can identify chemical reactions everywhere when food cooks, metal rusts, things burn. The signs are everywhere.
Exactly, Arjun, chemical reactions are happening all around us constantly. From the food we cook to the air we breathe to how our body digests food. Today we learned how to identify chemical reactions using 4 key signs: changes in state, color, gas evolution, and temperature. In our next lessons, we will explore different types of chemical reactions and learn to write and balance chemical equations properly.